The road to reopening starts at home, and the Qualtrics daily health screening for students will help the Spencerport Central School District provide a safe environment for all. Each morning, the parents of our hybrid students will receive an email reminder to complete the Qualtrics daily health screening survey. Reminders will be emailed at 6, 7, and 8 a.m. Email reminders are sent to the first contact listed in Infinite Campus. If you need to change this contact information, please send the email to this address as soon as possible with the following information in this format. In the subject line, put the building name of one of your students, and then in the body list the student name and an updated email address for the primary contact. Parents will receive an individualized email for each of their students. To assure accurate data, a screening must be completed for every student who resides in the household. It is crucial that the daily health screening is completed prior to student arrival on campus. The screening will coincide with the in-person rotation days of our Blue, Gold, Ranger, and Spencerport groupings. Parents will not receive a reminder on the days when their student will not physically be on campus. To complete the Qualtrics daily health screening for students, please follow these directions. On the days that your students will physically be on campus, open the email and click on the link. The opening statement shares that the information you provide will help determine whether your student should come to campus. All information in the survey will be kept confidential. First, indicate whether your student will be on campus. Please remember that reminders will be sent to the Blue, Gold, Ranger, and Spencerport groups on the appropriate days. To indicate that your student will not be on campus, simply click No. Doing this will result in an immediate non-approval. Selecting Yes will take you to the next part of the screening. The next question is a temperature check. It is important that parents check their students' temperature each morning. Doing so will help ensure the health and safety of your students, as well as the staff and students on campus. Any fever of 100 degrees Fahrenheit or greater will preclude the student from being on campus. Next, share any new or unusual symptoms since the last screening or in the last 24 hours. We understand that there are many symptoms associated with COVID-19. However, when a student presents with just one symptom, unless the district has documentation from a provider regarding chronic illness that aligns to one of those symptoms, the student will not be approved to be on campus. Answering none of the above will take you to the approved screen. Your student is now approved to come onto campus for the day. However, indicating just one symptom will result in a notice for your student to stay home and to contact the school's attendance office. When the daily screening is complete, parents will receive a notification email indicating the status of the screening. Building level administrators will receive reports indicating which students have been approved or which have been asked to stay home. Students who are asked to stay home will be prompted to contact the health office to communicate the nature of their absence, as our reports do not indicate which symptom was selected. Additionally, please refer to our COVID-19 flowchart on our website for return to school guidelines. If you make an error in your submission, the screening prompt does not permit going back or a retake. You must contact the building's attendance office as directed by the non-approved screen.